Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name's Adam. I'm a photographer in Boynton Beach, Florida, and this is my studio. I'm adamd.photo on Instagram. I'll put the link in the video. And this is the lovely Ivy, and she's going to be helping me with this video today. I'm also going to put her Instagram on the screen. What we're going to talk about today is shooting fashion, and can it be easy? And the answer is yes. As long as you have yourself a decent plain background, it could be really any color. But the key on fashion is you don't need multiple soft boxes everywhere. In my studio, I've got a lot of soft boxes. You can't see them, but we see them. There's even one right above our head. But we're not going to use any of that. What we're going to do is one modifier. It's not that expensive. It's actually very affordable for what it is. And that is an umbrella. An umbrella is really all you need for fashion shooting. It takes care of everything. You can move it around, you get some shadows, you can remove the shadows. For fashion and for editorial, it's just a great light source. And you'll find one in every studio you go into. For this shoot here, we're going to use this great umbrella. Pretty large umbrella. What do you think of this umbrella?
That's not an umbrella. This is an umbrella.
She got me. Again, this is Ivy. She's live streaming.
Hey guys.
But this is the setup we're going to be using today for today's video. It's just this large umbrella. I'm currently using an AD400 Pro, Mark II actually. This is all we're going to use. Single modifier with a single flash, and that's it for the whole shoot you're about to see. Just this one thing. And we're going to be shooting the lovely Ivy. Okay, everybody, this is the shoot now, and I'm going to just take some pictures, and you will see them pop up on the screen. And again, you get to look at Ivy. You don't have to look at me. So for fashion, again, this is just one light. And if you see the image, always adjust your lights to your taste. I think it's a little bright. I'm going to lower that a bit. Remember, fashion is about selling a product. It's not necessarily about your model. So that's why we don't really need the model to be looking at the camera. And by using this one large umbrella, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some shadow on the paper. So back up a bit. You can see that shadow on her right on the screen. Now, the good thing about a large softbox is that it wraps around your client, whoever you're shooting. She just squatted to the ground. Because this umbrella is so large, I don't actually have to lower the umbrella. And again, this is all with just one single modifier. And what I want you to do, come up a little bit away from the paper. And again, as I bring her up forward, what happens is she is now moving away from the background, and there will be no shadows now. Now I'm going to bring it a little more center. And, you know, get down with your model. I'm squatting right now. I'm probably going to break my knees. Now, remember, you can move this umbrella around. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the center. I'm going to move this umbrella all the way into her left. So now, again, the umbrella, I moved further in to her left. And with the model looking away from the light, see how her face falls off into shadow. Now, if she does the same pose the other way, turn the other way, same pose but the other way, now the light will be on her face. See the difference in those two images. This also works for headshots. You still get that beautiful catch light in the eye. And let's not forget something else you can do in a studio. We did something earlier where we have some wind blowing through her hair. Again, we're still just using one light.
That's hot.
That's hot.
That's hot.
And here's a sample of some of the images that we did throughout the day. Again, all these were done with the same large umbrella. One benefit of using this umbrella is that it also works very well when the model is on the ground. And if the model's face is towards the ground, the white paper actually gives a really nice catchlight in the eye. But coming up here is my favorite image of the day.
Keep your arms like that.
Okay.
Back up a little bit. All right, I want to end my photography career with that shot.
Oh my God.
You hear the model there? She loves them too. And you've seen this in some of my other videos, is when I shoot, I tether, and she's looking at this right here.
That one is so dope. Oh my God.
So I hope y'all enjoyed the shoot. Again, every image you just saw was done with one umbrella. I did it pretty quick. I can actually take more time. I can move the umbrella behind the model. We can actually use that large umbrella to even do silhouettes with the model standing in front. The umbrella also has a large diffuser, which we didn't use because when you're doing fashion, you just need a large light source. So again, all you need to do fashion shooting, it is that simple. Just one umbrella.
I told you, that's not an umbrella. That's not a large umbrella. This is a large umbrella.